Hi BROCHIKAS, welcome back to another video. Today I have for you a Walmart haul. I had to go get some items for my new house, so I figured I would just show you guys what I got because I have an insane hidden clearance deal. Ba, 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 ba. Alert, alert. You are gonna wanna see this hidden clearance deal. I really scored at Walmart today and I was super excited about it. So you know I just had to come on here and do a haul video for you and share the love, so hopefully you could find it in your store. First, I'm gonna start off with my big purchase that I had to get for my new house, and that is this trash can. So we knew we wanted a nice stainless steel trash can. Look at how disgusting this one is. Ew. We had to do an upgrade because we did do an upgrade in the house, so we had to upgrade the trash can. This is pretty cool. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's called 9 Stars. And this is a motion sensor trash can. So you just wave it over to close and wave it over to open, so nobody has to touch the ickiness. It does require 3 D-sized batteries to operate, and it reduces cross-contamination. This is a fingerprint resistant finish, which is really nice, so I don't have to be like wiping this down. That is like so amazing. So this is a 21-gallon trash can. This thing is huge, you guys. I don't think I've ever had such a big trash can, but I'm excited for it because we always have to take our trash out like, I want to say like once a day. It's literally insane, especially because we've been drinking a lot of bottled water, so it's annoying. It just creates so much trash. But this bad boy right here was, I want to say $80. Other stuff here, I just filmed a Dollar Tree haul. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It should be up before this video. So this has its own special, I guess, its own special trash bags, which is crazy because I had already bought some, but then I had went and bought some at Dollar Tree before going to Walmart, and I didn't realize I was gonna get a trash can like this. But this is the 9 Stars brand, large kitchen bags. 45 bags, 21 gallons. So, and it said it's a 21 gallon. So I picked these up. It was 10 bucks for 45 bags. I think that's not bad, right? And I also picked up these Airwick essential oils, lavender and chamomile. We love lavender, you guys know. So I picked these up to freshen up the house. I do already have 2 more of these warmers, so I have 2 more to put in other rooms with these guys here. Hubby needed his soap. That's just a random thing. I don't even need to show you guys that, but I did. I found Tylenol. I'm so excited. I haven't been able to find Tylenol, you guys, and we've been having such bad headaches from the allergens that are out right now. It's been really high in mold here, and hubby and I have just been going through Tylenol, and we only had literally like 2 left, and I could not find Tylenol in my last grocery shop, so I'm really glad I found it at Walmart. I picked up 2 hand soaps. These were only like 97 cents, but we are always going through hand soap like crazy, so when I see it, I pick it up. And then I couldn't resist, you guys. I got Bailey this little cat toy. I couldn't resist. It was only 97 cents and it has a little bit of catnip in it, and she loves things with feathers, and yeah, I couldn't help it. I always have to get a little something for her. Okay, so I got this trash can. I know I've got stuff in it. I got this gray trash can by Sterilite. This was only like $3.98, but it's woven and it's this light gray color that matches my cabinets. I just thought it was super cute for the downstairs bathroom. We had to do a little upgrade because I've had the Dollar Tree small little one for years and it's all dirty and gross. And then we picked up 3 of these carbon monoxide alarms. So, you know, this carbon monoxide is a silent killer and it's a scary thing, and now we have a gas stove and it makes me so paranoid. The other day I was reaching up to put something away in this cabinet and I accidentally turned this on without knowing, and I came back here organizing the kitchen stuff and I was like, why do I smell gas? I smell gas, what the heck? And this was on a little bit Oh my gosh, I was so scared because the fire wasn't on, but the gas was on. And it just terrified me. So to be safe, and because we have kids and, you know, we figured we'd pick up 3 to put all over the house. So that's important to have. And I've never thought about buying those before, but it's definitely something you gotta do. The only other thing in that bag was these D batteries. I got 8 of them. I think this is about 10 bucks for 8 of these batteries. This is for the trash can. Okay, you guys, are you ready for the steal of a lifetime? The ultimate hidden clearance find that I found this week at Walmart. I am so excited. So let me just take one out here. She's got it, the lady like really tightly packed it in there. I found these cute little gray plates, and I've been needing more dishware because I have those Dollar Tree ones with the whites and the little dots around them, which I love. I found 4 large plates and 4 bowls, but I didn't find any small plates. So I was thinking I was gonna get the gray ones that they have like this at Dollar Tree. $1 a piece, not too bad, right? Well, I found these for 50 cents at Walmart. And I needed the small one so I could get rid of my other set. My other set is red. It doesn't go with my decor anymore. Hubby wants to keep them, and I was like, no, that's like so ugly to go with everything we have here in this decor. Red, no, we're getting rid of them. But first I had to replace them before I sneak them away out of the cabinets. So these used to be 94 cents, which is still not bad, still cheaper than Dollar Tree, right? But then they went on clearance for 50 cents. But then, I used the Walmart app to scan it, and they came up for 10 cents a piece. I'm just gonna let you soak that in for a second. 10 cents a piece, y'all. So I'm gonna show you on the receipt right now so you don't think I'm a liar. Okay, so gray salad plate, 6 at 10 cents, 60 cents. So I did decide to get 6 of these. There was only 6 left. I was just gonna get 4, but I was like, they're 10 cents. Even if I got all 6, I'm not even spending $1. So I just got all 6 of them because they're really cute. Look at how this matches, gray and gray. It is so precious. I'm literally obsessed. I'm like so excited. Look at how freaking cute, you guys. How cute. 10 cents each. It's literally insane. It's literally insane. If you guys want to scan this and see if you have it in your store. But I was super excited about that. So yeah. Picked up 6 of those babies. Very happy about that purchase. I have never been lucky enough to find something for 10 cents on hidden clearance, but I see a lot of people who do Walmart clearance videos find 10 cents items, and that's my first find at 10 cents that I've ever had, so I was like stoked. One last item I have to show you guys, which is also another hidden clearance item. I just was winning with this hidden clearance today. So I found this adorable little like cream mug. I don't know, it just looks so cute and so farmhouse. Like, you cannot tell me that's not like the cutest farmhouse ceramic item you've ever seen. I just think it's adorable. Don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I had to have it. So on the clearance sticker, it says $2. Originally, it was $3.47, which is still not bad anyways, right? Guess how much I got it for? 75 cents, you guys. So it said $2, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start scanning some stuff. 75 cents. It is so precious, isn't it? The cutest. And I'm gonna show you guys on the receipt right now. It says cream can, 75 cents. And this thing is just too cute. Oh my gosh. It is so, this looks like something you would find at like TJ Maxx or Marshall's for like $4. This is so precious. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I am very excited to have found it. Okay, y'all, so that was it for my Walmart haul and hidden clearance finds. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that I help you guys find out some of those hidden clearance items. So hopefully you guys can go snatch them up for yourselves, and give this a thumbs up if you like seeing videos like these. And if you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, because I do lots of money saving videos, clearance videos, sales, Dollar Tree, Walmart, you know, all kinds of stuff where I'm getting things on a budget. I do those kinds of videos and vlogs. So if you like my personality and if you like the information you found out today, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. All right, I completely forgot that I have 2 more things to show you. Well, really only 1 more thing to show you guys as part of my Walmart haul. And it's actually these cushions for our outdoor patio chairs. So I got 2 of them, but they're the same thing. And we haven't put them on yet, but I'm just gonna try to show you guys. So it's this really beautiful, like, muted teal color. And you know, teal is the pop-up color in my home decor. So I just absolutely had to have these. They are so beautiful. I'm really hoping they fit my patio chairs. I'm not sure. They might be a tad too big, but we will see. So these were $29.97 at Walmart, and I just think they are so beautiful, and they look very, very comfortable. They're very thick. And you guys saw, if you watched my vlogs, that we had got a little 2-seat and a small glass table set for our patio in the back, and we got them off Facebook Marketplace, so they were used, and everything was great condition except for the cushions. So I've been meaning to replace them. So yeah, 30 bucks each. I just love this color, you guys. I'm absolutely in love. I don't know if it's coming off as like sky blue in the camera, but it's a muted teal color, so love.